Okay, so I am using swimming pool steps in my pool, and these steps we've had since 1998. And when we bought them, they were used. They were at least 10 or 15 years old. So these are very, very old steps. And because I don't want them to damage my liner, I decided I would put swimming pool noodles on the bottoms so that they would not make contact, and we're going to see how this works. I think it's going to work great. So basically what I'm doing is I'm cutting a slit down the pool noodles so that they fit on the edge of the steps, and I cut them accordingly to the width of the steps. There I have all my noodles on the steps. So I'm going to put some heavy-duty string to tie them on so they won't come off when I get them into the swimming pool. This one I just decided to weave it a few times. You can see the yellow construction cord. So I did that instead of cutting a few pieces. So I really don't think I'm going to have any problem getting these steps in the pool by myself. Okay, so I was able to pull the steps onto the little deck, and now I'm going to get the pool uncovered and try to get the steps in there by myself. Okay, I just pushed the steps in the pool from the little deck right there that they were on, and I got them in the pool. So now I just have to line them up and attach them. Once I got the steps from the middle of the pool, I tied them with the construction string or cord to the little deck here so that they wouldn't float away while I was trying to get the screws in to attach the steps to the pool. And mission accomplished. I got the steps connected. I did run into some unexpected problems. I didn't realize, that the steps in the water when they were floating were actually heavy to push down. So I had to, use my weight to get them to stay down long enough that I could put the screws or the bolts in at the top to hold it in place to the swimming pool. So it was quite an ordeal. I wished I could have had myself videotaped. It would have been really funny to see me trying to do this all by myself, but I did. I was able to get these steps, and the noodles are great. They're good protection against the vinyl, so the vinyl doesn't rip the pool liner. I'm very pleased. So now I can get my dog in the pool for her therapy.